1 Minute Mandarin Lesson 4.
It's time for 1 Minute Mandarin. I am Ling Ling.
And I'm Mark. In this course, we are going to be teaching you just enough Mandarin to get by on a holiday or on a business trip to China, or just to impress your Mandarin-speaking friends and colleagues. You've already learned some greetings and some useful words and phrases, and last lesson you learned how to say you speak a little Mandarin. We're going to add to this today.
I think I hear the clock ticking, so let's get learning.
Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. You already know how to say, I can speak a little Mandarin. Can you remember this phrase? Ling Ling, can you remind us?
Yes. 我会说一点儿普通话。
Can we have that a little slower, please?
Okay. 我会说一点儿普通话。
Excellent. Now, today we're going to add a couple of other useful phrases for dealing with the language. In Mandarin, I don't understand is
我不明白。
Let's listen to that again. Ling Ling will say it more slowly.
我不明白。
Once more.
我不明白。
Now, imagine someone said something to you in Mandarin and you had no idea what they'd said. What would you say? Ling Ling, can you remind us?
我不明白。
Good. You can go one step further and say, I'm sorry, I don't understand. Let's learn the phrase for I'm sorry. It's
对不起。
and again more slowly.
对不起。
One more time.
对不起。
Now, let's add that to I don't understand.
对不起，我不明白。
That's quite a mouthful. Let's try it again.
对不起，我不明白。
Just try it one more time.
对不起，我不明白。
Excellent. Well done.
Time's up.
Even if you are trying to make that good impression with your Mandarin-speaking friends or colleagues, don't worry about not understanding what they say. They'll be very impressed and appreciative if you can say that you don't understand in their language. As ever, don't forget you can visit our website on oneminute.languages.com. In the meantime, thanks again.
谢谢，再见。
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.